In the vast and often perplexing world of manifestation, we are constantly bombarded with techniques, strategies, and secrets that promise to unlock the door to our dreams. From elaborate rituals and affirmations to vision boards and gratitude practices, the options seem endless. But amidst this sea of information, there lies a simple yet profound truth. A principle that cuts through the complexity and reveals the true essence of manifestation. Feeling is the secret. This powerful concept was taught by Neville Goddard, a renowned mystic and master of manifestation. Neville believed that the emotions we embody, the state of being we cultivate, are the most potent forces in shaping our reality. He taught that our feelings are not merely fleeting reactions to external circumstances, but rather the very architects of our experiences. In his own words, Neville declared, "Feeling is the secret. If you only knew what you are doing when you feel, you would never feel bad again." This statement encapsulates the essence of his teachings, emphasizing the profound impact our emotions have on our lives. At the heart of Neville's teachings is the idea that our feelings create our reality. When we feel the joy, gratitude, and satisfaction of having our desire, we align ourselves with the frequency of that desire. We send a powerful signal to the universe, declaring, "This is what I want to experience." However, maintaining those feelings, especially when our external circumstances don't match our desires, can be challenging. It's easy to get caught up in the how and the when, allowing doubt and fear to creep in. But Neville taught that true manifestation comes from unwavering faith and persistent feeling. It's about embodying the state of being of our desire, even when there's no physical evidence to support it. Neville urged us to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. He believed that when we consciously choose to feel the emotions associated with our desires, we set in motion a powerful creative process. We begin to attract the circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with those feelings. This doesn't mean denying our current reality or pretending that everything is perfect. It means consciously choosing to focus on the feeling of our desire, to cultivate the emotions that resonate with our dream. It's about shifting our internal state to match the reality we wish to create. To achieve this, we can employ various techniques. We can imagine ourselves already living our dream life, feeling the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if it's already happening. We can use affirmations to reinforce the feeling of having our desire. We can create vision boards or engage in visualization exercises to immerse ourselves in the experience of our dream. The key is to consistently focus on the feeling of the wish fulfilled. The more we do this, the more we align ourselves with the frequency of our desire. We become a magnet for the experiences that match our internal state. Neville's teachings remind us that our feelings are the most powerful magnets in the universe. When we consistently feel the reality we desire, we attract it into our lives with irresistible force. Neville placed great emphasis on the power of imagination and faith in the manifestation process. He believed that imagination is the creative faculty of the mind, the tool through which we shape our reality. He taught that when we vividly imagine ourselves experiencing our desire, we impress that image upon our subconscious mind. This, in turn, influences our thoughts, beliefs, and actions, leading us towards the realization of our desire. Faith, according to Neville, is the unwavering conviction that our desire is already ours. It's the knowingness that what we have imagined will come to pass. He often said, "Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen." When we have faith, we don't need external proof to believe in the reality of our desire. We trust in the unseen, knowing that it will manifest in its own time. Manifestation is not always an instantaneous process. It often requires patience and persistence. There may be times when we feel discouraged or doubt creeps in. But Neville taught that it's during these challenging moments that our faith is truly tested. He encouraged us to persevere, to continue feeling the reality of our desire even when there's no physical evidence to support it. He reminded us that the universe is always working in our favor even when we can't see it. So, how can we practically apply the principle of feeling in our own lives? First, identify your desires. What do you truly want to manifest in your life? Get clear on your desires and write them down. Next, connect with the feeling. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already having your desire. How does it feel? What emotions are you experiencing? Immerse yourself in those feelings. Use affirmations. Create affirmations that reflect the reality of your desire. Repeat them daily, feeling the emotions associated with them. Visualize. Create a mental movie of yourself, living your dream life. See it, hear it, feel it. Make it as vivid and detailed as possible. Practice gratitude. Express gratitude for your desire as if it's already yours. This helps to cultivate the feeling of having it. Release resistance. Let go of any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that may be hindering your manifestation. Trust in the process. Be patient. Remember that manifestation takes time. Continue to feel the reality of your desire, knowing that it will come to pass in its own perfect timing. When we embrace the power of feeling, we unlock a world of infinite possibilities. We realize that we are not victims of circumstance, but rather creators of our own reality. We understand that our feelings are the brushstrokes with which we paint the canvas of our lives. When we choose to feel the emotions that align with our desires, we create a masterpiece of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. In the words of Neville Goddard, feeling is the secret. If you only knew what you are doing when you feel, you would never feel bad again. So, let us embrace this profound truth and use the power of feeling to manifest our dreams and create a life beyond our wildest imagination. Friends, one of the most remarkable aspects of Neville Goddard's teachings is the emphasis on the power of feeling to overcome challenges and obstacles. He believed that no matter what difficulties we face, we can always choose to shift our feelings and create a new reality. He taught that when we encounter setbacks or disappointments, it's crucial not to dwell on negative emotions. Instead, we should focus on the feeling of the wish fulfilled, even if it seems impossible at the moment. Neville often shared stories of people who manifested extraordinary results by maintaining their faith and feeling, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. He believed that when we refuse to give in to fear or doubt, we tap into a limitless power within us, a power that can overcome any challenge. Another key aspect of Neville's teachings is the importance of self-love and acceptance in the manifestation process. He believed that when we truly love and accept ourselves, we create a fertile ground for our desires to blossom. He taught that self-love is not about vanity or ego, but rather about recognizing our inherent worthiness and divinity. When we love ourselves, we believe that we deserve to have our desires fulfilled. We radiate a positive energy that attracts abundance into our lives. As we conclude this exploration into the profound world of Neville Goddard's teachings, we are reminded of the immense power we hold within us. The power to shape our reality, to overcome challenges, and to manifest our deepest desires. Feeling is the secret, the key that unlocks the door to our dream. When we cultivate the emotions that align with our desires, we set in motion a powerful creative process. We become magnets for the experiences, people, and opportunities that resonate with our internal state. It's a journey of self-discovery, faith, and unwavering belief in the unseen. It requires consistent focus, persistent feeling, and a willingness to let go of limiting beliefs. But the rewards are immeasurable. When we master the art of feeling, we unlock our true potential and create a life beyond our wildest imagination. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace the power of feeling in your own life. If you found these teachings valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this message. And if you're new to our channel, we invite you to subscribe and join our community of seekers and manifestors. We're committed to providing you with insightful content that empowers you to create the life of your dreams. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, you have the power to create your own reality. Embrace the power of feeling and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes.